tropical storm. There's a tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico. The storm surge is coming up 50 feet waves. Tropical storm is a tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico, Gulf Shore. Named Groot. The tropical storm is in the Gulf of Mexico. It turns into a hurricane. People have to evacuate. Tropical storm. Ken Torrey runs around like an idiot yelling, "Storms like a banshee." Tropical storms. There's a tropical storm in Alabama. Gulf Alabama. People are evacuating. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Jim Cantori's running around. There is a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Right now there's a tropical storm. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Right now there is a tropical storm. Jim Cantori, people are boarding up their windows, putting their stuff in lawn furniture. People inside tropical storm. There's a tropical storm. Gulf Shores, Alabama. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama right now. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama right now. People have to hunker down. Tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. There is a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Right now, there's a tropical storm. Jim Cantori in the newspaper saying, "Get out." Tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama right now. Supposed to make landfall at 3:45 a.m. in the morning. Tropical storm. Tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Gulf Shores, Alabama. Gulf Shores, Alabama. Gulf Shores, Alabama. Tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama. There's a tropical storm in Gulf Shores, Alabama right now. Going on in the Gulf of Mexico. Tropical storm Irma is going on in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Tropical storm is going on in Gulf Shores, Alabama.